St. Andrew teen crushed in shipping container incident. St. Andrew man goes missing in Falmouth, Trelawney. St. Anne vendor found hanging.
Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details.
A teenager was crushed to death inside a shipping container that he was unloading in its community of Grants Pen in St. Andrew on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as Gary Jones, 18. The incident happened about 8:30 p.m. The container was reportedly laden with boxes of laminated glass. One of the boxes reportedly fell on Jones. The Grand Spain police are investigating. 28-year-old Krishna Martin of Yassi Ali St. Andrew has been missing since Monday, August 19. He is of dark complexion, medium build, and about 172 centimeters, 5 feet 8 inches tall. Reports from the Hunts Bay Police are that about 9 a.m., Martin was last seen in Falmouth Town in the parish of Trelawney. He was dressed in an orange t-shirt, brown shorts, and a pair of white slippers. He has not been heard from then. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Krishna Martin is being asked to contact the Hunts Bay Police at 876-923-6197, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station. The St. Anne police are investigating the suspected suicide of 61-year-old Devon Sinclair, a vendor from Gravel Hill in St. Anne's Bay. His body was found on Saturday morning hanging from a tree with an electrical cord around his neck at the back of his premises. The police processed the scene and the body was taken to a funeral home.